All right, family, peace. Back with SEK Cannon. All right, family. So it is time to jar up my hearty vegetable soup, beef vegetable soup. All right, family. So everything is sterilized. As you can see, I got my jars out of the oven, and my lids are actually finished being sterilized, and my bands. And I'm gonna actually move that over so I don't have to make a big old mess, but because I can't pick up the jars because they are super hot. So I'm actually gonna move this on down here. That way I don't make a pure D mess. Turn that off. Okay, that's better. So let me know what you guys are canning today. If you are canning, this is a great day to can. The rain has came through from the storm, the hurricane, whatever you want to call it. Give that one a little bit more. Don't forget your inch headspace, 1.25 inches. And we're gonna process this for my altitude, and being at its meat, 90 minutes. Yeah, this is super, super messy, but that's okay. So right now, it's looking like I might get another 8 jars. I might. Let's see. We're on number 4 now, and we haven't gotten to the bottom of the pot. Well, I mean, not the bottom, the middle of the pot yet. So I might be able to get it. If not, I can probably do 12 ounce or 8 ounce. I don't want to do 8 ounce jars though. I don't think 8 ounces is enough. Excuse me, to just feed one person. Well, a child, yeah, but not an adult. So I don't think I want to do 8 ounce jars. Yeah. So we'll see. We will see. Turn it that way. So I definitely want to try this with chunk beef as well, with potatoes. Definitely. So that might be my next canning session, maybe. We'll see. They said the humidity was going to be high today, and I think I can feel it along in this kitchen. And then my kitchen window is open, so I definitely could feel it's very humid. I don't think it's just me cooking this soup. Yeah. We're almost at the halfway of the pot. I have to take a little bit off of that. some of that out of there. A little bit more. Okay. All right. So let's get our vinegar ready. Move this over here. Get ready to wipe our lids off. And I'm gonna bring that over here and then bring my lids over. And again, I'm using vinegar. Some people use water and soap. I like vinegar because it cuts through everything. So that's what I'm using. Right. These lids out of here. Come on, you guys. It's the worst when they stick to each other. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second, you guys. I might have put the wrong ones in there. I think I did. But hold on, that's okay. Hold on, family. We're gonna get these balled up real quick. I don't know why I thought I was putting them in the wide mouth, using wide mouth. I wasn't, so that's okay. At least the water is nice and hot. Give me a chance to clean off these jars. Definitely gonna wipe them over with a rag because they are so messy. Okay, we're gonna let that boil up real quick, and I'm gonna actually move this over, and that should be good to go. I don't know why I thought those was the big. They looked like wide mouth for some reason. Yeah, be mindful of that, guys, because that's easy to mix them up. You think you're doing wide mouth and you're doing regular mouth, so be mindful of that. That's a learning point right there. Be mindful. Yeah. Let me just clean this up. And then before and I'm going to go around these rings again. The brim of these jars. This was messy. Yeah. Okay. Get these lids out of here. Then I gotta get my little rings from the other side. They're sitting right there on the table. Oh, I hate when they do that. Stick together like that. Get out of here. Get my other rings. And these are sterilized as well. I don't want y'all to think these are not sterilized. I'm always sterilizing and drying off, and sometimes I re-sterilize, but when it comes to the rings, you don't pretty much have to worry about that, because that canner, as hot as that canner get, it's gonna kill off whatever. So remember what I tell you guys, finger tight, not travel tight, just finger tight, okay? Okay. So, move my stuff out of the way. Move all this out of the way. And we're going to figure out, once I get these in the can, I'm going to figure out how I'm going to use the rest of this. I might even make it for dinner, let it be for dinner. If not, I will can it back up, but most likely it's probably going to be left for dinner. All right. So my 3 quarts is in the can already, you guys. Okay? So we're going to get this up, turned up. My vinegar is in there, and my 3 quarts is, I mean, my 3 quarts of water. Sometimes you want to give it a little twist again, just to make sure. You might have a little tug on it again. Yep. There we go. Where we at? All right, that's my 8 planks, you guys. And let me move this. Get this. Get ready to wash those off. And you guys, being that this is a loose soup, and I know people do the debubbling and stuff like that, and you can do that. Sometimes I do, but with it being so loose, I can't imagine how it would have, you know, bubbles in there because it's so loose. So, yeah. So, you know, use your own judgment. But when it's loose like that, and you can just pour it in, I don't think it's gonna have any bubbles. Now, if you got like major chunks of meat, then you might want to, I always do this, get it right. Master that part of this thing. You know I'm in the right spot. Let's see. There we go. All right. Taking that off. And we're going to let this get up to a nice boil. Let it vent for 10 minutes. Then we're going to put our weight on there. And then we're going to set the timer. And SEK going to be back with you guys after it finished processing for 90 minutes. Okay, family? So I'll see you guys in a minute.